Hey guys, it's DanielXMiller for the Underwear Expert. I'm here in Echo Park to ask some runners of LA our favorite question: boxers or briefs? So, what's your name?
Jose.
Nice to meet you, Jose.
Likewise.
And where are you from?
Fresno, where I was raised. Born in Venezuela.
Oh, cool. It's far away.
Very far.
How old are you?
I'm 25 and 59 months old.
So, what's your name?
I am Louis Soriano.
Nice to meet you, Louis.
Nice to meet you guys.
And how old are you?
I am 34 years old.
Cool. Where are you from?
I was born in the Philippines, but I was raised in San Diego, actually.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So another California boy. So, what's your name?
My name is Julian.
Nice to meet you, Julian. And where are you from?
I'm from Ventura.
Ventura?
Yeah.
California?
Yeah.
Everyone's from California. How old are you?
I am 19 years old.
Cool. You're a runner.
I am, yeah.
Where do you like to run?
It really depends, but I live close to Griffith Park, so I'm usually running in Griffith Park.
Okay, cool.
Because I live in Ventura and it's like a beach city, I live across the street, so I can just jog to the beach and I just like running on the sand. And it's more of a challenge. So.
Cool. So when you're on the sand, you usually have your shirt off?
Yeah, of course.
Do you mind if we do the rest of the interview with your shirt off?
Oh yeah, I don't mind.
Where's your favorite place that you like to run?
Actually, indoors.
Inside?
Yeah. I feel like it's just more motivation and at the gym, having people next to me, competition.
So when they like turn up the speed on theirs, you have to turn yours up?
I do, yeah.
Do you listen to music when you run?
Heck yes.
And what's your favorite kind?
Hip hop, trap music,
Yeah.
Nicki Minaj, Cardi B.
Yeah, she's pretty hot right now.
Yeah.
From old school hip hop to newer like trap music. I'll go like grunge, you know what I mean, like Alice in Chains and some. I'll even listen to some Elton John if I'm really feeling like it. So it really just depends.
Cool.
Yeah.
Typically like no, because it's like so hard, and I like to have music in your ears. It's like too much, like trying to breathe and listen to music at the same time.
Yeah.
I feel like I just stress myself out.
Okay.
So I just
You
don't.
just listen to the water. We have a favorite question we love to ask everybody, and that is, what is your favorite? Boxers or briefs? Boxers or briefs? Boxers or briefs?
I used to be a brief boy,
Briefs.
If I had to choose, I'm probably a boxer brief guy.
but when I run, I'll typically do like a boxer brief, like mixture kind of thing.
Cool. So what are you wearing today?
I'm currently wearing like a mixture between like a trunk or a boxer brief. Yeah.
Okay.
Gray Calvin Klein underwear.
Well, these are just some Walmart brand kind of compression underwears here, just for running and working out. Yeah.
Can we get a peek of those? And do you care if we get a peek of those? Do you care if we get a peek of those?
Yeah, sure.
Being interrupted. Good thing it's only the first bell.
Oh my god.
Oh wow, those are cool.
Yeah, see?
Yep,
Nothing crazy.
they are.
Nothing crazy.
That is a huge peak.
Thanks.
Everyone's just throwing out the big peaks. So we have a question we love to stump everyone with, and that is, what do you think your underwear says about you?
I would say classic, simple, timeless, not doing the most, even though I do the most, but not my underwear.
So you're a classic guy.
I guess so.
Usually I bet people don't usually would assume that I'd wear like tiger underwear or something, so I feel like
I didn't think so.
so I feel like it makes me like I'm kind of crazy, but people don't know that.
Cool. Yeah. We got a crazy one here, guys.
Anything I wear is kind of appropriate to like the whatever situation I'm in. If I'm wearing like briefs, I'm probably trying to get laid. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
If I'm wearing like something like this, then I'm probably gonna go to the gym. So,
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, there you have it. So today I'm wearing Trunks by Wood Underwear from the Underwear Expert. Let us know in the comments below what kind of underwear you like to wear when you're trying to hold everything in place while you're out on a run. If you liked today's video, be sure to give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. I'm DanielXMiller for the Underwear Expert.